You don't look like an intergang.
We're the Justice Society. Our mission is to protect global stability. We're here to restore peace to Kandahar. And we will use force if necessary.
Force is always necessary.
Anybody play state of Michigan, I hereby commandeer this vehicle. Man, fuck you. That's not a real thing. Absolutely is a real thing. You know what? You're right. It absolutely is a real thing. It's a real thing. That's the realest thing.